simple. So if you follow my videos, you'll know that I moved this colony 180 miles, just coming up to 2 weeks ago now. I haven't put the honey supers back on yet, so I am going to put the honey supers back on. I'll explain why now. So the reason I kept the supers off, firstly, was these bees were queenless about 5 weeks, they were quite weak. So I wanted them to concentrate on rearing brood, not capping honey. If you look at this super, you see there's frames half full, half capped. There's also some frames undrawn. So this was a second super that I added. I do want to get those frames drawn. So I am going to pop this one on directly above the brood box. Get the bee working on that first. I'll then show you inside the other super below. The other super below this is the one we extracted. But in the meantime, I'm going to open this hive up, have a quick look inside. I did an inspection on this hive about a week ago. Confirmed that the queen was laying. New queen. Was introduced coming up for 4 weeks ago now. After this colony had been drone laying. Let's see if we can find the queen. If I remember correctly, I think these 3 frames had brood on. So I'll pop these out, take a look. Okay. You see that worker brood in the middle? Some of that brood has emerged. And I can see some larvae. Again, capped worker brood and larvae. Both sides. Capped worker brood. So there's a lot more capped worker brood in here than there was a week ago. Again, both sides. I haven't seen the queen yet. There's definitely young bees emerging. The reason I'm putting the tubes back on is because it's a totally wet July. The weather's picked up, so there's a lot of foraging bees in and out. And the last thing I want them to do is backfill this brood box with honey. So I'm going to pop the supers back on, give them somewhere to store that honey. You can see the population is not so bad. I haven't seen the queen, it's not a biggie, don't disturb them too much, so let's start popping these supers on. That's super that needs drawing, I put on. I'm putting supers on, bear in mind, keep the frames running the same way. So the frames of the brood box run this way, the cold way they call that. So the supers got to be the same. If you do it the other way, the warm way, it'll have to match. So second super on. I'll do a quick look inside this. Frame half full of honey, half capped. This is the super we already extracted for spring honey. With a nice frame of honey, over half full, half capped. There's one full frame of honey, fully capped both sides. Let's get the roof on this. So we go, 2 honeycombs back on this colony. As you can see, they're probably half full. Hopefully the bees will finish filling those now, finish capping them, and by the end of autumn we'll hopefully have 2 nice supers full of honey. If you like that video, want to see more beekeeping videos, give us a big thumbs up, hit subscribe. Thanks for watching, have a good day.